Welcome back to Kerney-cation. We are here at Sawmill Creek, a Cedar Point resort, for a quick hotel tour. So let's jump in. All right, we made it to our room. Double queen, pretty standard. Oh, the AC in here is fire, dude. On the first floor, you get a little fridgey, a little microwave, nice sized TV. I like the lampies here. Lots of USB. Man, the AC is excellent. Get your USB chargers. Huh. My name is on the phone. It's crazy. 62. These are my kind of people. Set on 62. I like what I like, okay? Check out the potty. Ah, nice shower. I'm gonna take a shower for sure. Very nice room. Some towels, super clean, super nice. And that'll be the room tour. And you even got a nice little letter from housekeeping. Thanks, Juliana. Super clean room, you're the best. Wow, it's so nice in here. All right, so we are in the Walnut. It's like 2 buildings over. You start at like the lobby, and then you go building by building by building. No elevators here, I don't think. Stairs only, 2 floors. Just keep that in mind. Here's the outdoor pool. Man, I wish I could swim right now. 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Got like cabanas, super nice. Bar over there. Excellent. I wish I could stay. Here is the main rotunda. So they do lots of like seasonal events here for Christmas. The bar is upstairs. We'll go check that out if it's still open. Indoor pool. Same thing. 9 to 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. They have a hot tub. It's closed now, but super nice. Lots of fireplaces. This is a super wintry spot, but Creekside Market, 6 a.m. to 9. Coffee, breakfast. And we'll head over to the main lobby. Super nice. They usually have fireplaces, but it's hot. Oh, they got the fire going out there. It's Miller's Table. There's your Sawmill Creek. Yeah, a lot of people are over there, but pretty cool. Here is the Miller's Table. So that's the restaurant. They have super good. Pretty pricey, but super good. They have bar. And this is where they serve breakfast in the morning. Super good buffet. Maybe I'll try and get some at Harvest when I come back. But let's cruise upstairs. All right, we are upstairs. Again, they have meeting rooms up here. There's a nice bathroom up here. But they do stuff during the holidays for that too. There's a nice little secret seating area up here too. Super hidden spot. Super cozy in the winter. But yeah, I usually have a fireplace going there too, right above the main lobby. Oh, and they got the hideout closed. So this is the top of the rotunda. This is the other bar, but it's Wednesday. Obviously, they're only doing one. But yeah, this is the hideout over the pool. They do a cool Christmas bar up here too. So, oh, is that like a patio? Now, this looks new. Go out down to the pool. I don't remember that being there. Cool. And that's it. That'll do it. So, breakfast at Harvest, dinner at Miller's Table, lunch at Miller's Table. Bar is Hideout. They have a bar. The other place too, Miller's Table.